1, 3, 5, 8… No, Telegram could replace more than 10 apps on your smartphone. It's all thanks to the amazing features of Pavel Durov's creation. Today I'm gonna tell you which apps you will immediately uninstall after watching this video and why Telegram is much better than all the other apps. And at the end, I have an important question to you which I hope to get an answer to. So I'm looking forward to your opinion. Let's get into it. Over the past 20 years, people have created quite a few smartphone apps that cover all sorts of human needs. If you unlock your phone now, you'll find many different apps, and some of them you only need because of one specific feature. Each program will give you completely different functionality. You have one for notes, one for reminders, one for phone calls or editing your favorite pictures, etc. Of course, Telegram can't replace absolutely all the apps, but in this video I will prove to you that Durov's creation can potentially replace a lot of other apps. But before I get to the main point, I want to make a brief but very important reminder. Dear Telegrammers, only you and your support can contribute to the creation of new videos, so please do one thing: subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notifications. I appreciate your support, thank you. And now, let's cut to the chase. The first part of the apps that Telegram can easily replace are Twitter, Facebook, and other social networks. Pavel Durov's Messenger has one important distinguishing feature, and that is channels. In essence, these are groups, public channels, and communities of other social networks, which have one common name. Various Telegram channels have proved to be serious, trusted, insider, and fascinating resources, referenced by the official media, quoted by people, and there you can find a lot of useful information. There are lots of channels in Telegram on absolutely any topic. You can read them, listen to the audios, watch videos, and comment. In general, everything looks like in other social networks. By the way, I prefer feed to be chronological. I love it when all the information is sorted in this way. Facebook, for instance, hasn't had a chronological feed for a very long time. They use their silly algorithms instead, so Durov's Messenger has an advantage here. Besides, Telegram provides another tool for communication: groups. They could be linked to channels or be separate. In groups you can find people to talk on various topics and have a good time. Moreover, almost all known groups and communities from other social networks have migrated to Telegram and are successfully developing there, devoting much more time to their work in the Messenger. The next apps that can be replaced by Telegram are, of course, Viber, WhatsApp, and other messengers. I've talked about this on my channel many times. I've compared Telegram with other messaging apps, and if you're interested in digging into this topic, click the link that I'll leave in the description box. Alright, so we're clear with messengers. Compared to other popular apps, Telegram went 30 steps ahead a long time ago and offers absolutely different functionality. But if we're talking specifically about text and calls, Durov's creation offers high-quality audio and video calls, instant messaging and delivery, which are second to none. Therefore, you could just remove your WhatsApp or Viber. And here's another cast of applications that could easily end up in trash, because Telegram can offer all the features they have. I'm talking about Zoom, Skype, Discord, Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, and the rest of the apps for online group calls. Such applications have become an integral part of our lives today. Thanks to Skype, Zoom, and other apps, we learn, attend webinars and lectures, watch movies together, stream games, and so on and so forth. But in 2021, Telegram has improved its functionality so greatly in this respect that it now offers its users everything I just mentioned above. Audio and video calls with an unlimited number of users, screen sharing and recording. All this lets you enjoy group conversations uninterrupted and unrestricted. For instance, in the same Zoom, you can have only up to 100 people in a video call for free. Let me remind you that in Telegram, this number is unlimited, and more importantly, all these features are accessible for both computers and smartphones. Next in line are Apple Music and Spotify and other music streaming services. Here, too, Telegram is practically a complete platform for listening to music for free. I mean, I don't urge you, my dear Telegrammers, to listen to music illegally via Messenger, but Telegram has such a feature, so why not talk about it? Thanks to bots and Telegram channels, you can find absolutely any song with its art cover and make playlists. And thanks to the player, you can rewind, switch, and of course, start and stop the music. Yes, so far Telegram cannot provide its users with all the charms of the streaming platforms. But when it comes to basics, rest assured, Durv's Messenger does it all. From time to time, I talk about Telegram bots, which can help you find and download music. One of the videos is trending right now because I mentioned the coolest bots there. If you want to listen to music on Telegram, you'll need them too, so find the link to the video in the description box. You thought that was it? Of course not. Telegram could replace a couple of more features I'll talk about next. Stay tuned! In addition to the fact that Durv's app almost completely replaces all the previously mentioned apps, Telegram can help you with reminders. To do that, write a message in your favorites folder, long press send, and choose the date and time when this message will work as a reminder. You can also send this text to anyone later, for example, to congratulate someone on their birthday. Moreover, you can use the messenger to make notes. You can also use the favorites folder or even create a separate channel for such notes. Telegram allows you to save them in the cloud, format them, and even embed a link. Isn't that an alternative to some other applications? Not to mention that Telegram is the perfect service for storing files in the cloud. You can upload any document, photo, video, or anything up to 2 GB in the cloud, and thereby free up space on your phone or laptop. Files won't disappear because they will be securely stored on Telegram Cloud, and you can download them again if you want to. So as you can see, 2 hands are not enough to count the number of applications that Telegram could replace. If you agree, give this video a thumbs up, please. What would you like to see next? I would really want Telegram to become an alternative to Instagram. There have been rumors that stories may be introduced in the Messenger. I think that's a good idea. Besides, although Telegram has a fairly functional photo and video editor, they could improve it too, and for example add filters as on Instagram. Share in the comments which applications could Telegram potentially replace, or which features the Messenger should adopt from other apps. I'm eager to know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join our community please. And don't forget to share this video with all those who are reluctant about using Telegram. Let's use this amazing app together. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.